Hi, this is Alberto. Today I would like to talk about genetic trading systems. They were very popular maybe 10-15 years ago, so probably if you are already someone who like trading system, you know what I'm talking about. And if you know it well because you program them or if you trade them, you lose money with them, probably. So this is why you are likely to remember them. Some people ask me now about genetic trading system, even that I thought that they were disappear completely. It is because now people rebrand them with machine learning, artificial intelligence. So it is just a rebranding because genetic algos got nothing to do with machine learning or with artificial intelligence. They are not something good or bad, but what they are, it is a search heuristic. So they are a very nice instrument, but they should not be used in trading systems. So for us, they are useless. Why they were popular? Well, first, what they do, it is pretty simple. They are a search heuristic. This means that let's say you need to do a lot of calculations. So you need to collect a lot of data and sum many numbers or multiply many numbers, and to do all this calculation to find the final solution, it might take ages, like months, years. To do that quickly, you use a search heuristic, which is an algo, not algo trading system, it is an algorithm, properly said, that help you to have a solution which is not the best, but is better than no solution. So there are many applications in engineering when they are very helpful, but for trading systems they are not. Actually, I think that using them is quite close to cheating. I'll tell you why. So how they are used in two words. And I'll make things simple because if you know them already, you use them, you know that they don't work. But if you don't know, I want you to be aware that they really won't. So let's say that you want to build a trading system, and you might think, if you are very naive, well, instead of looking if gold would respond to this breakout strategy or to another strategy. So instead of coding rule by rule, a rule can be when RSI is above 80 and yesterday it's higher than 2 days ago, then buy. You must say, why you don't just write down every possible single rule and then I just mix all of them and I can have any possible trading system. So I might have, let's say, 1,000 rules, and I might build with these 1,000 rules depending on how many rules you want in your single trading system. With some combinatory calculus, you can obtain the number of trading systems you have to backtest. That is always a very big number because you cannot backtest every single strategy coming from every single combination of the rules that you have written in TradeStation or whatever you want. You just use a search algo like genetic. You could have used another one, but you use genetic. They were popular because they're very simple to understand. They also work, but they were popular, I think, because they are simple to understand. They are powerful, but to do something. So they are powerful to do what we are asking them to do. But then the problem is that the way we, let's say that the question is wrong. So we are asking to the genetic algo, what is the best trading system among these billion of trading systems that we have just created by mixing every possible trading rule. So the genetic algos, it does its job well because it tells us it is this one, and it's right. But the problem is that our question is wrong because we are basically backtesting an infinity of trading systems, and then the best among those infinity of trading systems, it has zero chance to be the best in the future. Also because the more trading system you are backtesting, the more you are likely to get a good one just by chance. And all of this stuff now can also be calculated. So you can calculate how likely you are to get a fake trading system with adding another rule. So let's say that if you are adding another rule to your trading system, and then another one, and then another one, you are likely to get something that worked in the past and not in the future. What you're doing with genetic trading system, it's even worse. So you are just trying an infinity of trading system, and all of them maybe have 5 of 10 rules, and then you'll pick the best one. So you'll get a good one just because of luck, and that system will lose money. Now, it's not necessary to enter in details because this is not something that people are discussing today. This is what someone might discuss in forum, or some that want to sell you a trading system. But if you are already in this environment, or if you're studying machine learning, you don't even know what genetic trading systems are. I have studied machine learning at Columbia University, and I think they have not been mentioned. They are studied to do something else, but today also as a search heuristic, there is something better than that. So every time you see genetic algo, just discard it. And if, let's say, you see an algo that someone told it that is genetic and that made the real money, there are just two possibilities. Well, three. He's lying, or just by luck the trading system made money, or that was a genetic that a human being corrected its code. So you see a genetic algo that by chance is similar to a nice trading idea, you polish it a little bit and you might end up in something nice. There was a search, there was a company that I know in London are extremely good. They sell, as I also do, trading strategy to institutions. They tried and now they gave up, but they find a way to do some profit out of it. But it was thousands and thousands of work, so they gave up because there is something much better to do with that amount of time and time cost, especially if you are a company. So I don't want to enter in detail of what they have done because they gave up, and there are many better ways to do it.